Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Facebook won't let you log out, then I'll guide you through the solutions. Now let us understand the problem first. One case could be that you logged into Facebook, but you were unable to log out because the internet connection broke off. The second one is that the server would be down. So simply go and search for Facebook server status and hit enter. Okay, now the server status says normal if you're checking it on Bing, yet you should go to metastatus.com to check the server status. Scroll down to Facebook login, click on it and check all the details with the status. Right now, there are no known issues. Now, another thing is that you can wait for Facebook to fix the programming bug. Also, you can clear the cache and cookies from your browser. Click on the three dots at the top right corner and then you can click on history, click on the bin symbol here, change the time range to all time and click on clear now. Check the internet connection speed, search for fast.com and hit enter. You will be able to check the internet connection speed here. The last one is to disable any third-party browser extensions to isolate the cause. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select extensions. Click on manage extensions. If you see any extension here, try disabling it. If it helps, then just remove the extension. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.